from metro. I wanted to go in metro. So today is the next day and I wanted to come in metro, so I came in metro. Now we are at Chennai Central. And I'll show you some trains, guys. Come, let's go. Train with VAP7 locomotive. Now I'll show you which train is this. Guys, this is the Coimbatore to MGR Chennai Central, then Thiruvananthapuram Central train. It goes so back. So guys, now we are going to metro station since our central work is done. Bye bye. I'll go back after 3 to 4 days. Then I'll meet you. But now we are going to metro station. I'll show you the metro station, guys. Inside the metro, guys, as you can see, with Amana. Now just we went to Central and we came. Now let's see what stop comes. I'm going to show you guys. Another train came, guys. Our train is departing. Metro. From Chennai Central we are going to Egmore. Chennai Egmore. So now I'm at home. Evening I'll go to beach today, so I'll meet you when I'll go to the beach. Till that, guys, bye. So guys, now we are here at the coast. Let's go near the water and enjoy sand. Wow! So cool waves. So guys, yesterday nothing happened since I went to my cousin's house. Now I'm going to attend a marriage. So we are going and I'll meet you at the marriage hall. So guys, now we are at Kalyana Mandapam. Now we'll go inside. Let's see. Guys, here is a toffee. This is a halwa, idiyappam, kurma. This is idli, dosa, some sweet, types of chutneys, vada. So guys, I finished my breakfast. Now let's see next what happens. And I'll meet you. So guys, now we have to go to floor 1 to go to the marriage hall. Now we are at the cafeteria. Let's go. Guys, now we booked a cab. It is coming. This is the outer part, the beautiful waterfall. We booked a cab and it will come now. Okay, now we are going to sit inside. Here, this is our cab, Suzuki Desire. Today is day 5 and today I'm going to go to Bangalore. Meet you guys at Bangalore, guys. Till then, guys, bye. So guys, I have finally reached Bangalore. Here's Prayan. So meet you again in the next video, guys. Till then, guys, bye.
Bye.